What's up, guys? Doing a commercial job. Hold on, I'm gonna get away from all this racket. So this is a last minute job. Took about all our hose to get out here, but we had enough. So last minute job, the people needed it done today, and so we fitted them in.
What's up, YouTube? Tommy here from Green Rhino. I've been documenting my journey on this channel from a part-time hustle as a machinist to operating a very successful cleaning company. My goal is to show you what I was looking for when I was starting out, sharing the cleaning solutions I use, the equipment, so I can help others thinking about getting into the cleaning industry. And maybe, just maybe, helping to make that first step. It can change your life like it did me. Don't worry, industry, I'm not trying to be the know-it-all carpet cleaning, but I am trying to be an example of what could be.
It's really just they need the carpet. See, I don't know where the lights are in here, so forgive my lighting, but as you can tell, the carpet's brand new. So all we were hired to do is go over it and steam it. Hold on. All right, so with the dry strokes, normally we do the dry strokes and leave little triangles, but we don't want to do that in this carpet because this carpet shows the triangles, and what they're trying to do is figure out if they need to replace the carpet. If you can see over there, if you see the transition right there, how it's lighter here and dark over there. So they're thinking it's a problem with the carpet. I don't know the terminology he was using, but definitely there's a difference. And I guess the only way to figure out whether it needs to be replaced or not is to try to steam it out. So I got my heat up, and we're gonna go over the carpet. It's about 1,200 square feet, so you can't get no easier than that, huh? All right, so we're gonna get through this. I'm gonna give him a break, and just keep working it. We'll go back and forth. And yeah, I wish I knew where the lights were in here. Guy just let us in, took off. All right, shit, dude. Real quick, guys, if you're thinking about getting into the carpet cleaning business, I do offer a step-by-step course down below. All my videos, there's a link. Not just the technical side of it, but the business side of it. How to get those customers to call you. Also, the tools I love and use, down below also. Now back to the video. right, guys, all finished up. Unfortunately, it doesn't seem like, although I don't see the big square here, except for about here in this transition, but I'm not sure if that's because of the background and shading and stuff. But I don't see that square there, right, from over in this angle. If you kind of go around, you do see the transition there. Right there where they seam the carpet. But overall, and I do think this dark area right here probably has a lot to do with maybe the shading coming through here, because it doesn't matter what angle you're going, it's like different everywhere. It doesn't look that bad. I don't know. I think if I bought the carpet, I think I'd be all right with it. But hey, I'm not the one who probably spent $10,000 on this or